Barrier headband tutorial. Reserve a 5-hand width section at the end of the yellow balloon. Twist a 3-finger single bubble first. Twist another 2-finger single bubble. Make another 3-finger single bubble. A 2-finger single bubble. Next, twist a single bubble measuring 4-finger width. A 2-finger single bubble. Last 3-finger single bubble. Interlock to 3-finger single bubbles. The first 3-finger bubble threads through the center. Then pinch. Twist the 2-finger bubbles into a barrier tie. The bear's head is done. Continue making 2 small basic bubbles. Twist into a double ear twist. Wrap the balloon skin around once. The tail of the balloon is secured by wrapping it around a double ear tie. Adjust shape. Barrier headband is done.